We should just go to like somewhere else. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi.
Hi.
Please tell us we're landing.
Why can't they make up their mind if the seatbelt sign should be on or off?
Okay.
Come on, please.
What's up? We're stuck in an airplane going whoop-de-whoop.
It's so boring. See, we've seen this stuff like a zillion and 5 times.
Actually, this is only our 15th time. He's been counting.
Wait.
Wait. Excuse us, honey. Oh, sorry.
Please go make the decision that we're landing in LAX.
Wait. Is that Facebook?
What?
Facebook? Post that. And I should be your friend so I can tag myself. Oh, video's still on. You should turn that video off.
No, I shouldn't. Should I?
No!
Is it so hard to make the decision? Oh my gosh, what time is it?
Wait. I bet it's been half an hour.
It's 9:05. 15 more minutes till they make their friggin' decision.
I really want to eat my phone.
Here.
Yeah. People are just waking up. Yeah. Yeah, my friends are actually just going to school.
Are we allowed to turn off our on?
No, yeah, but you can't text or anything.
We can't text or call or anything that involves service because it messes with the radio transmissions that we obviously aren't getting because we can't freaking land.
I know.
Or look, stuff we've already seen again.
Woohoo! Yeah!
Dana!
Oh, I think it's good.
Are you angry about us going on the plane?
What are you doing?
We're going around this mountain. I swear, it's been like the 15th time.
Oh, really? I thought we were still going to California.
Yeah, no, we've been circling for 15 minutes.
I thought we were still going.
What makes you feel? Oh, we've just been circling? Yeah, I didn't know that.
We've been going nowhere.
Elena thought the mountains were. Why are we going nowhere?
Because it's not good enough conditions to land.
I think we're
In 50, no.
Guys, I think she's supposed to be asking us questions. This is my frosting and I am his cake. No, what about me? Let me out. We're the cake. He's the frosting.
Did you know that in 14 minutes we're actually going to figure out if we're going to go somewhere else to land?
Then how would we get to sea camp?
We have to take like a charter bus from like LAX. Los Angeles to San Diego, baby.
So, I am looking at the camera because I'm trying to freak someone out who looks at that.
Are we actually going to land? Of course not. I know.
My mom bought $5 bill.
Isn't it beautiful? Where's Bertha?
Sasha!
Sasha!
So is Bertha.
Where's Bertha?
We're ascending. It's a bug back.
Oh! They dropped Bertha. They're horrible parents.
They are horrible. Not as bad as the babysitting.
Not as bad as the babysitters. They are.
Video. During the summer, and it's like, that's Grayson. Say hi, Grayson.
I'm super frustrated. I want to freaking land already.
I know.
And turn it off.
No. I'm good. Yeah. So, if we miraculously land in San Diego within the next
Hour. Yeah. Something along those lines.
year, then maybe I'll make another video. Okay.
Humpty Dumpty sat in a ball. Humpty Dumpty